Hello traders, this morning we're monitoring both S&P and Dow. Yesterday we were in a perfect place, right now we're slightly higher. Here's a trade on Dow. We're getting multiple alerts on the scanner already. Intelligent trader well prepared. Intelligent trader absolutely expected this. Every single tick in trading matters. Red line identifies your entry. Red line to the downside identifies your stop. One tick will make a world of difference in your trading. Key moment to the upside on Dow. Intelligent trader knows how crucial this moment is. Intelligent trader also knows what to pay attention to the upside on this trade. Agree? There is no surprises in the markets. This is second best. We discussed this before market open. So this was a stunning reminder. The stop remains in crucial place, traders. There is no speculation here. There is no random stop. There is no random targets. We agree? Again, this morning, second best. Everyone with me? Yesterday was spectacular. This morning, not. Crucial stop. Precise stop respected to the tick. Second best, not first. You can do so much better, Dow. Intelligent trader knows. Bright pink line identifies the end of the minor trend. Correct? So what you witnessed in front of you is the importance of this bright pink level. This identifies weak buyers. Intelligent trader knows what to pay attention to. When bullish trend becomes major, this level is out and price skyrockets to drastically higher levels. Intelligent trader is very self-aware and very well prepared. And this alpha Fibonacci chess and alpha Fibonacci precision. Agree? So as expected, price struggling at the end of the minor trend. Everyone witnessing this? So this is when intelligent trader decides to remain in the trade or not. Intelligent trader understands what to pay attention to. Bullish trend is major, this level is next. Bullish trend is weak, this is a problem. Intelligent trader making a decision to close or to continue in the trade. On this particular trade, this is crucial target. Critical moment on S&P when intelligent trader making decision to remain or not in this trade. Clear on that? Buyers are weak, you will see spectacular collapse. Anyone surprised? This is ultimate alpha Fibonacci precision. Crucial moment on Dow that will determine Dow for many hours to come. Again, stop was placed in perfect place. We stay out through ultimate pain, ultimate torture, ultimate pullbacks. Crucial, bullish target on Dow. Everyone clear on this? Move your stop outside of break even. Trail carefully, please. You do not need many trades, do you? All you need is one. Stunning, flawless bullish rally on Dow once again. Intelligent trader done for today. Agree? All you need is one quality trade. "30 points later, intelligent trader adjusts the trail, scaling out. We're entering very important moment on Dow day trading reversal zone, where Dow can pull back 20 points instantly in a matter of seconds. There is no surprises in the market. Market very predictable, very precise. Alpha Fibonacci chess. And when Dow reverses completely from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader not surprised. Trading day is over, trading less than 30 minutes per day. So if you manage to pull 30 points out on Dow, on one lot, $150. On 10 lots, $1,500. You do not need many trades. What you need is one quality trade. Your trading day is done. So when Dow is collapsing and reversing from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, there is no surprises here. Correct? Crash and burn Dow, pretty please. Go down to support, to the tick. And that's what price does every single time on every single trade. And we will ask our incredible traders, our intelligent Alpha Fibonacci traders, what they've done this morning. Boom. Done, done, done. Every single trade, different stop, different target. Every single student decides what trade appropriate for his or her account. So how many points did Dow collapse from reversal zone already? Many. 40 points, traders. As expected. And that's ultimate Alpha Fibonacci trade this morning. Trade is not on 1 minute chart, trade converted to 1 minute chart for the trading room only. As you saw, scanner had given us multiple opportunities for trades, and every trader decides what trade appropriate for his and her account. So if you're ready to spend your time with quality traders, if you're ready to become Alpha Fibonacci trader, I look forward to working with you. You're ready to trade less than 30 minutes per day with ultimate precision. Alpha Fibonacci trading system traded on Wall Street and in 57 countries. I look forward to working with you. Take a look what students do all over the world. More and more videos, podcasts, and testimonies coming every single day. If Brad, Sanjeev, Steve, Ed, Wolfram, Tashi can do it, Carrie can do it, so can you. All you have to do, make an effort. Any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me, 925-257-4298, info@fibinstitute.com. Intelligent trader, done for the day. Trading less than 30 minutes per day.